Hi guys, here is how to generate a listicle with Jasper AI. So the first step is to sign up on Jasper. Once you've signed up on Jasper, right here by the left, it says templates. So just click on templates and then scroll down until you see the Jasper AI listicle template right here. So the idea here is to put in a topic right here, and then Jasper will create a list of like subheadings or a list of certain things under that topic. So for example, if you have how to make money online, Jasper will create a list of ways to make money online. Okay, so in here, let's say the topic here is how to make money online, and then uh, the list count could be 7. So 7 ways to make money online. Okay, then here it says the tone of voice. The tone of voice can be witty, it can be formal, can be conversational, serious, anything that you can think of. But I love witty just because it sounds better. Okay, and then right here you click on generate, and then Jasper will come up with a list based on the information you've provided right here. Okay, so let's see what Jasper comes up with. Okay, so now we have a list of 7 ways to make money online. In fact, Jasper has given us two different lists of 7 ways to make money online. I mean, this is perfect. Um, you can copy this and then edit it in a Google Doc. But if you know how to use Jasper, then you can further edit this by clicking right here where it says open in documents right here. So just click here and then Jasper will open a new document, and then you can edit your list even further. Okay. So once you've opened the new document right here, click right here where it says focus mode, and then you have a full screen, and then you can edit this again. You can add more explanation. You can tell Jasper to write more sentences, more lines about each of them. It's very easy, but if you don't know how to do that, then kindly watch our Jasper AI blog writing tutorial so you can understand how to further edit this blog to make it longer. If you got some value from this video,